If you're a hairstylist watching this, I'm so sorry. You're probably cringing at me right now. I am ready to switch up my hair. I have had my hair short for, I don't even know how long it's been now, honestly, but it's completely my natural color, and I've always been the kind of person that has different hair colors. I like to switch things up, but I kind of wanted just to have the past few months just be really easy. Like, the maintenance has been so easy, not having to go to the hair salon, and I've also been trimming my own hair at home, but I do go get my hair cut like every few months or so, but I'm just trying to manage it myself at home. Like, it's just easier that way. It's cheaper. I want to save some money. But now with spring being here and it's almost summer, I want to add some color and some fun to my hair. So I am going to attempt to add some highlights and kind of a balayage style to my short pixie cut. Yes, I could go to a professional, but I honestly just want to try it myself. I have bleached my hair before. Back when I had long hair, I like bleached my money pieces and it went totally fine. Like, I've done my research. I've watched my Brad Mondo videos. I've done my homework, so I think this will be fine. And the thing with short hair, like, if it goes terribly wrong, I'll just cut it off. You know what I mean? Now that I have short hair, I don't have that same attachment that I had to my long hair. So if everything goes terribly wrong, I chop it off. It's no big deal. It'll grow back. It grows back so fast. I want to add highlights to, I call this my floof, my long part of my hair. I'm also going to trim my hair at the end of all this coloring and stuff. So I want to add some highlights to this part, and then at the end I will rebuzz my sides a little bit, and that's kind of my plan. Honestly, it's just like fun to dye your own hair, so that's what we're doing today. It's a different video for me, but I thought it'd be fun to film this and just kind of do it with you guys. You can see the whole process. I just want to make it super clear that I am not a professional. Okay, so don't follow my advice, but again, I've done my homework, and if you are a hairstylist watching this, I apologize in advance for the mistakes I will probably make. But you know what? It's just hair. Let's fucking highlight it. Okay, I placed a little Sally's beauty supply order. I got gloves, don't worry. I had these bowls from before when I used to kind of touch up my hair at home. So I bought a 20 volume and a 30 volume developer. And then for my bleach, I bought the Ion Bright White Cream Lightener. I didn't really want to go with the powder. I just didn't like the idea of that, so I'm gonna go with this cream one. And then for a toner, I bought the Wella Permanent Hair Toner in the shade T11, which is like lightest beige blonde. And then, oops. And then for funsies, just in case everything goes terribly wrong or I just want to be a little crazy, I bought this Lime Crime Unicorn Hair in the shade Oyster. Look at this freaking color. If you know me, I used to have purple hair. I fucking love purple hair. And I was like, if the highlights go wrong, I'll just like pop this on top, you know? I don't know. We'll see what happens. I may or may not end up using this. This is just kind of like a backup plan. Or if I feel really ballsy at the end, we'll see. My hair is completely natural right now. There's no product in it. Gonna quickly comb through the top here. This is how my hair likes to dry down naturally. I look like a little Lord Farquaad little boy, but you guys know if you watch my videos, I style my hair kind of up and forward. I also really need to trim this stuff too, because this hasn't been trimmed in over a month. All right, here we go. I am going to Google again which developer do I use with this one, measure that out, and then we'll get started with painting on the highlights and kind of a balayage style, because I just really don't want to do like the whole foil method and like weaving the hair and doing that. Like, that just sounds like a lot of work. Balayage is a lot easier, and I tried to Google like balayage on Pixie hair tutorials, and no one has like done this before, so that's why I'm making this video too, for funsies. So I'll be right back. I need to do a little bit of research to just refresh my brain here. I just poured in a 1:1 ratio of the cream lightener with 20 volume. So I just do 1:1 ratio because that's what the internet said to do. And I don't really know how much product I'm gonna need because, again, I'm just doing like highlights, so it's not like I'm not bleaching my whole head. Maybe one day, but not today. Starting slowly here, you know, just gonna slowly add color. Maybe I'll bleach my whole head one day, we'll see. All right, I'm going to put on some gloves, obviously, because I'm working with bleach here, and I just got a spray tan done, so. Do not want to mix bleach with a spray tan, and I'm not really doing my scalp, so, holy fuck, here we go. Just gonna start to bleach some pieces here. And I'm just like sporadically doing this. Also, which hand do I do? My boyfriend just left the house to go to the gym, and I was like, when you come back, I may or may not have hair. no idea what I'm doing right now. I also don't know if I'm using enough bleach. Like, I'm worried this might look a little splotchy. I also thought about getting one of those like highlighting caps where you like pull the little hairs through, but I think I can do it this way. I'm nervous though. And I feel like there's a lot of like kind of powdery clumps, so I don't know if it's gonna look uneven or what. Because I know you're supposed to like saturate the hair, but it's also really hard to saturate such short hair. Whew. Okay, I'm so nervous. Also, let me just check the back of my head. I know I'm gonna need some more back here. Okay. Maybe like some of this. I honestly don't really care about the back of my head. Like, even when I cut my own hair, it's just like, it's whatever. Okay, I didn't really like set a timer. I've just been kind of like sitting here watching it. Like, this one's definitely lightened. This is lightened. These have lightened a bit. I'm just gonna chill here for a bit. Okay, I'm going to turn off the camera and I'll be back once I feel like I need to go rinse it. Okay. I honestly don't know how long it's been. I've just been like keeping an eye on it, right? I feel like I look like in a boy band, NSYNC, Backstreet Boys. Like, this is a vibe, right? These like chunky highlights. I don't know if I should rinse it now or if I should wait a little bit longer. I feel like this is pretty freaking light, right? I think I'm gonna rinse it now. We're gonna rinse and then we will put in the toner. Like, no, I gotta rinse, blow dry, put in the toner. Okay, I will be back. All right, so we are lightened. Oh my goodness. So it definitely, it lifted. We're good. It's really yellow, which is obviously to be expected. It doesn't look splotchy really, so I'm pretty happy with that. And like I said, it didn't really hit my roots at all. Also, ignore this tan right here. I'm gonna be a hot mess until this transformation is complete. So now we're going to tone with this Wella Permanent Liquid Hair Toner. Again, I got the shade T11, which is lightest beige blonde. Pre-lighten the hair. Check. Mix 1 part toner with 2 parts 20 volume. Then why did I buy 30 volume? Maybe I should have wrote down my notes when I was like doing my research, you know. All right, looks like we're doing 20 for this. I don't know why I bought 30 then. Oops. Was I supposed to use 30 with the bleach? Unsure. Well, too late now, clearly. So, and I think I put this on my whole head, like all of my floof, right? Also, my makeup's gonna be so messed up too. It's so hard to like wash your hair without getting your makeup off. All right, well, let's do this. I think I did that correctly. Now we're gonna mix this up. Ooh, this one smells funny. Ooh, smelly, smelly. I believe I put this on my whole head, but I'm not gonna put it on my buzzed parts like I said. Should have put this in a squeezy bottle. Alrighty. Gloves round 2. I like how some pieces look like a little bit brighter than the others, which is kind of what I wanted, right? I don't know. I mean, you don't really know until like you style it, right? Okay, I'm gonna need this towel because I feel like this is gonna get goopy. Oh, here we go. Yep, goopy. And I used the whole bottle of toner for this. I freaking love having short hair and just like how easy it is to do everything. I guess it wouldn't hurt if I get this on my buzzed part, right? What's the worst that could happen? How long do I let this sit on for? I'm really just freeballing this, guys. You can't have too much toner, right? Like, I don't think you can really overdo toner. I'm just gonna... Oh, I'm taking some in my hands. This might be a terrible idea. Ah! Oh yeah, I'm just like shampooing it in almost. Again, if you're a hairstylist watching this, I'm so sorry. You're probably cringing at me right now. This is it. What if I had a mohawk? I'm gonna send a picture to my boyfriend. Okay, we're probably pretty saturated, right? I need to see the back of my head though. Am I missing anything? No. No highlighted pieces down there, so that, I'm gonna call that good. I'm literally gonna let it sit in this mohawk. Okay, I'll check back in a couple minutes or so. All right, the mohawk is mohawking. I feel like we're looking pretty good. Like, it's not looking yellow. Okay, I think I'm gonna set a timer for like 3 more minutes or so, and then I'm going to rinse this out, shampoo, condition, and then cut my hair. And then we'll see the final look, right? I'll show you a little bit of cutting my hair just because that's kind of fun. All right, so I will be back once my hair is washed. I hope you enjoyed me having this mohawk. Oh, maybe you should plug it in first, Angela. Hair. Okay, my downstairs bathroom is a mess. There's hair everywhere, there's water everywhere from washing it, and this might be a dumb question, but did the toner lighten all of my floof? You might be like, yeah, Angela, duh. It definitely did. So it's still a bit more orangey yellow than I would personally like. Oh, maybe I should look at it outside. Maybe I'll do that. But I do have this purple shampoo from Moroccan Oil that I had like a long time ago. But then again, I still have that Lime Crime Unicorn, that like purpley thing. So I'm like wondering if I mix that in with shampoo, like dilute it and wash my hair with that, what that will do to this. You know? It's a thought. Maybe I'm gonna go look at this color outside and see what I think. Okay, so I checked the color outside and it's definitely not as orangey yellow. This lighting in here is really orange with like blue walls. It's fucking ugly. But I think we'll be okay. I'm gonna wash my hair with that purple shampoo. And I have like buzz cut hair all over me, but we will, I think everything's okay. We're good, we're good. Okay, are you ready for the final result? Bum, 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 bum. I did it. All right, this is what my hair looks like after I cut my hair. I did that purple shampoo in the shower. I let it sit for like 3 minutes or so, and then I just styled it kind of as I normally do, put some makeup back on, and here we are. We also are in mostly natural light right now. I have my window open, but I do have a ring light on, but I feel like this is pretty true to color. I gotta say, I'm very happy with the placement of the color. Like, I feel like I crushed it. It just kind of adds some more dimension to my hair. Everything down here is completely my natural color. Like, I feel like the blend looks good, you know what I mean? I do feel like the color looks a little bit warmer than I would like. I do like to be more of a cool toned kind of ashy color. I asked my boyfriend his thoughts and he literally can't tell a difference from my before and after. I'm like, okay. Anyways, yep. Yeah, I'm talking shit about you.
Oh my god, it's beautiful. It's a little warmer than I would like.
You fucking asshole! You're done. Anyways, he said he can't tell a difference. Obviously, there's a difference, babe. But overall, I am happy with how it looks. It's not exactly what I wanted, but like I'm still perfectly fine going out like this. It definitely brightened my hair. It has a little bit more dimension to it, which I'm happy about. I just wish it was slightly more cool toned. So if you are a professional and you have any tips or tricks, I would love to know. And like, where did I go wrong? Was it the color of the toner? Did I not let the bleach sit on long enough? Like, did it not lift enough? I'm not exactly sure where the issue was, but I'm not mad about this at all. I know this is kind of a different video for my channel, but I just wanted to film this process and put it on the internet. You know, maybe someone else will watch this. I will link all the things I used today down below in case you're interested, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.